Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how you can use search options and filters within the Tasks tab to find specific tasks you're looking for. So as you can see, we're logged into Command. Let's go to the Task tab on the far left. From here, you have the search bar right up here at the top. So if you happen to know the name of the task you're looking for, you can simply type it in and you don't even have to hit enter. It will go ahead and start sorting through the tasks to find ones that match the word that you've entered. So that's one option to find them. Another is your filter options right here. It will open your filter drawer and give you several options, like right here for due date. If you're looking for a specific task that has to do with smart due dates only, meaning it's not set for a calendar date, it's set for an opportunity date like a key date, a closing date, a home inspection date, the staging date, something like that. You also have all of these options here to look for tasks that are due or due soon or past due, and even enter a custom date range if you would like to find a task that falls within a specific time frame instead of a specific date. Again, you also have options to do repeating tasks. This means it's a task that you have repeating, maybe weekly, monthly. It's not just a one and done type task. You can also filter by priority level, the task type, if it's linked to a contact, an opportunity, or nothing at all, who the assignee is, and also who created the task. Did you create them through smart plans, opportunities? Did you manually create a task? You can use any of these filters and just apply after you've selected them, and it will bring up the tasks that match that filter. Just remember once you're done to go ahead and clear that filter here so that you can see all your tasks again. Another way to sort and filter through your tasks are these quick click buttons over here on the far right. Now, these were in your filter drawer, but you can also just come here to quickly view your past due tasks, or maybe the ones that are due in your next 7 days. Maybe you want to get ahead on some things. Again, once you're done, go ahead and clear your filters to make sure you can view all your tasks again. And last but not least, you also notice on some of these columns within your tasks, you'll see the up and down arrow over here to the right side of the word. This lets you know that you can also sort your tasks by this type of column. So priority level, we can click those arrows, and this shifted all of our high priority tasks to the top. Likewise, we can click it again and bring up the tasks that do not have any priority level at all. You'll see this same arrow on other columns like your due dates to bring those to the top that are past due or the ones that don't have any due date. Your tasks column at the beginning will also help put these in alphabetical or numerical order as well. That's how you would come in and search and filter through your tasks to find specific ones that you're looking for. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with your KW platforms, do feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help. You can email us at support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.